today's fast-growing technology and competitive market, RR Plast has installed more than 500 sheet lines all over the world and enjoys more than 70% market share in India. Our sheet lines are suitable for thermoformed and vacuum-formed products, automobiles and appliances, luggage industries, and stationary sheet applications. The machine is provided with drive control panel and heating control panels separately. Energy meter and digital drive keypad are mounted on control panel. Precise heating is achieved by auto-tuned PID temperature controllers. Inbuilt air conditioner is a common feature of the control panel. There is a PLC touchscreen for ease of operation. It has individual control for all temperature zones. All the drives are controlled through PLC touchscreen. The lines are designed for 100 microns to 30 mm thickness with a width range of 400 mm to 2500 mm. They are available up to 5 layers with different configurations. These lines are equipped with different kinds of raw material handling systems, multi-station gravimetric loader, crystallizer, and dehumidifier for hygroscopic materials. The special extruders adopt the longer L/D ratio with a special dispersive and distributive type mixing zones that ensures better melt quality and mixing. The hydraulic screen changer filters impurities from the melting resin to protect the die and rollers for high quality and long service life. The melt pump, static mixer, and T-die are the most important parts for well-proportioned thickness and stability of extruded material. The melt pump delivers the constant pressure material in the die that results in minimum sheet thickness variation that ultimately saves the raw material. The melt pump ensures less working back pressure that gives long working life for screws and barrels. Input melt pump pressure is synchronized with screw speed. Co-extruder for sheet coating is provided with variable geometric feed block. The 3-roll calender presses and cools the hot material coming from the die. It is the most important equipment of the whole line. The hardened mirror finished precision rollers with multi-flow channels ensure adequate cooling at each and every point of the roll. The roll gap adjustment is by motorized movement or with hydraulic power pack. The rolls are individually driven by AC motors or servo motors. The arrangement of the rollers can be horizontal, inclined or vertically aligned depending on the material. The calender roll temperature is achieved by thermoregulation unit. These are available with either water or oil cooling medias. The sheet conveyor is equipped with edge trim cutter and winder, static eliminator, corona treater, silicone spray bath, and film lamination for different sheet applications. RR Plast offers different types of winders like jumbo winder, turret winder, and 2-station inbuilt winder. The winders are available with winding capacity of 1.5 meters roll or up to 1 ton roll.